Christmas.
We're stuffing your stocking with a month of all new SpongeBob.
Patrick, your genius is showing.
Again? It's 25 days of SpongeMiss. It is a new episode of SpongeBob.
A broadcast station or cable system has issued a required monthly test for the following counties/areas: Isle of Wight, Surrey, James City, York, Virginia. At 4:30 p.m. on December 8, 2024, effective until 5:15 p.m. Message from Princess Anne's Cable. Ladies and gentlemen watching this cable system, did I fucking startle you? Too fucking bad. I don't give a fucking shit, because I have a lot to say. I hijacked the signal and made this alert and fucked with the audio on your DAS deck to make it extremely loud so that you can hear my thoughts about how angry I am. My name is Delilah Victoria Sandoval of Virginia Beach. I am 29 years old. I work for Princess Anne's Cable, or at least I did, as I recently got fired from my job. Yeah, you're right. This is a goddamn hijack, and I don't give a shit if I get in legal trouble because I need to get this shit off my chest, and I need everyone to hear me right now, so bear with me here. You may be asking how exactly did I get fired in the first place? Well, I was having fun with myself. I was fingering myself in private, because I thought no one would notice. But no one cared. It's all about business. Business this, business that, business every fucking where. So my dumbass boss fired me for alleged unprofessional and sexually inappropriate behavior in a broadcasting center. Well, guess what? I don't give a fuck if you fire me, because I've fucking had it. I can't take this shit anymore. You can't fire my ass. I quit. I fucking resign and I'm done with this shitty company. I never want to work here or see your asses ever again. You can all kiss my pussy goodbye. Goodbye, so long, sayonara, adios, au revoir, see you never, and fuck you. Fuck you all and fuck this shit. I hope that one day, this company goes bankrupt as fuck and everyone goes out of a job. Overall, I hate this goddamn job. I hate my bitch ass boss and I hate this fucking company. That is all I have to say. Good luck going to sleep tonight. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Now go fuck yourselves, and to everyone else, fuck you. Fuck you hard.
Saturday morning starting at 9 on Nickelodeon.
I found the tip.
You're watching SpongeMiss.